How's it going, guys? MCF Got Milk and welcome back to another auto video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your sway bars. So my car needs new sway bar end links, and I got them right here. As you can see, this is the old one. As you can see, it's old, the bushings are completely shot, and it is just rusted. Here's the new sway bar, as you can see, good bushings and everything else. This is from AutoZone. It's a little $15 part, very inexpensive to fix. So where are your sway bar end links? So this is the one I took off already, just for indications. This is the sway bar. It goes into this hole, and then it controls the sway of the car. So when you're turning, it doesn't, so you're not leaning as much. This is an intact sway bar. As you can see, we'll be taking it off. To take it off, we're just gonna use a simple ratchet with an extension and a wrench. That's simple. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the wrench up here on this nut so it doesn't freely spin. And then underneath, we're gonna be using a ratchet on that bolt right there. So again, all common hand tools. We're gonna go underneath. There we go, we're on. There's a ratchet. And then we're just gonna break it. And we're gonna keep on taking it off. I know that was a bad angle. I didn't mean for that to happen, but so I got it off, but as you can see, it's still on because it is rusted shut. I mean, this was rusted on hard. Like this was up like this, and all that was down. So what I did is I'd spray penetrating fluid, just some PB Blast, and then I just took a hammer. So let's say this is how it looked. This was all the way down like this. I just grabbed this part right here with penetrating fluid, and I started hitting the bolt, and then the bolt came right out. Again, this is what happens if you don't change your stuff and you don't keep up with maintenance, is that it's just gonna rust, and then it's gonna lead to more problems. And then as you can see, like if you look in, it's really rusted. Like these sway bar end links were not changed for a while, and right here, the sway bar is now free to move around. Just to show you further on, like rusted, like this part was rusted on. I just took some JB Blast, held it by this, and hammered the hell out of it, and then I finally got it out. So again, now it's fully removable, and it's time to put in those new sway bar end links. Don't be intimidated by a sway bar end link. It's literally like a little puzzle. It's literally a piece like this, a bushing, another bushing, a washer, the middle part, washer, bushing, bushing, washer, bolt. So again, the bolt goes through, washer. Then you put the bushing down, you put the lower control arm here, then another bushing, boom, washer. And then you put this up all like this, and then another washer, and then the other bushing. And then between these two bushings here, go to upper sway bar, screw it in, keep screwing it all the way in until you tighten it, and then that's your sway bar. It's that simple. Don't get intimidated. I'm gonna show you. I do want to apologize for the angle because again, it's really hard to get into this and actually use both hands at the same time. So we're gonna use the bolt, the whole bolt, a washer, and a bushing. And we're gonna go underneath into this hole right there. Boom, just like that. And then we're gonna take another bushing, slide that girl down. There you go. I'm gonna take a washer on top of that bushing. Boom. Okay, centerpiece, on like that. Boom. Washer, like so. Another bushing. Make sure the flat side is on the washer and the little kisser is going to be squeezing the actual sway bar itself. So we're gonna connect it like that. But first, I like to do this. Get the last piece in like this, and then we're going to meet these two together, like so, and then we're just gonna screw in for now, not too tight, so we can get the other side on, and boom, your sway bar end links on, and then we tighten it down. Now with your sway bar fully in and your end link on, make sure you follow the manufacturer's information on torquing it down. So this is 20 foot-pounds of torque. I have a torque wrench to do it. Nice simple torque wrench. Put it to 20, as you can see. Let's see if I can find it for you real quick. There you go, it's at 20. It'll focus 20. And then again, you're gonna go underneath, find the bolt. Find the bolt, click it, until you hear the click, and then it's good to go. We'll do this side with a little more light. It's looking really good. I recommend, this is very inexpensive, like I said, $15 a sway bar, and it is really worth it. I would recommend getting them as preventive maintenance if you start hearing clanking or if you want better handling of your car. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I gotta clean up, put the wheels back on. But again, I know it's kind of hard to see the angles, but I really did hope it helped you. If not, then I'm sorry. Leave a comment, let me know what I need to do more to improve. Because again, it is very hard when I have just a simple camera and a tight garage and simple hand tools. I don't have like probably the most advanced tool I really have, honestly, is an impact gun, which is from Harbor Freight, honestly, and it works. It takes off the wheels and everything, but I do need to get a handgun one. But again, they're expensive as anything, and I just really don't feel like spending the money on it right now because again, I'm not a full mechanic. But as well, again, it's a 1994 Mustang, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. It helps a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.